How to use mentions in Trello comments. Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how you can use comments in in Trello comments. Using mentions in Trello comment is a great way to notify specific team members about a discussion, a task, or about a particular comment that you made in a card. So how do you go about it? The first step is by writing a comment, and to write a comment you would have to log in into your Trello account first of all. After logging in, navigate to your bot page, and once on your bot page, locate the bot that you'd like to add or use mentions for. Then after selecting the bot, the next step is to select the card by double clicking on the card. After double clicking on the card and the card has been opened up, you will be brought to the page where you see details about the card, details such as the labels, description, etc. And then in the comment section, the next thing to do is to click on write a comment and then type out your comment. So your comments could be simple as amazing. And then in order to use mention, just long press on your shift button and then click on add. And then once you click on add, all of your members would be displayed. And then once all of your members are displayed, just go ahead and select the specific members that you'd like to mention in this comment. For me, I don't have enough members. That is why I'm only seeing my name. All right. But for you, you can see as many members as you want, as you have, and then select the members you'd like to mention. After selecting them, you can now click on save, and immediately they'll be notified about your comments, and they can also make further comments on the comment that you made in the activity section. This is how it works. This is how you can use mentions in Trello comments. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.